Welcome to Money Control's Political Wrap. Here are the top headlines of the day. Kiran Rijiju responds to Congress Hindenburg allegations, accuses Congress of betraying India. Congress announces nationwide protest on 22nd August for SEBI chief resignation, JPC probe. Calcutta High Court orders transfer of probe into murder of women doctor to CBI. From Kolkata doctor murder to Kannauj rape, Sudhanshu Trivedi blasts India bloc TMC over heinous crimes. Rahul Gandhi says that he will discuss in depth his demand to conduct JPC investigation into Hindenburg report. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju addressed Congress allegations stemming from the Hindenburg report, accusing the party and its allies of working against India's interest. In August 12th statement, Rijiju claimed that there are internal and external forces trying to harm the country and criticized Congress for allegedly collaborating with these forces. He emphasized that India's citizens are united under Modi's leadership and will not be swayed by such claims. Amid the raging row over the Hindenburg allegations, the Congress on Tuesday announced that it will hold a nationwide agitation on 22nd August, demanding SEBI chief's resignation and a joint parliamentary committee probe into the Adani issue. The announcement was made after the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge held a meeting with all general secretaries, state unit chiefs, and AICC state in charge. The Calcutta High Court on Tuesday ordered the transfer of the probe into the alleged rape and death of a women doctor to the CBI. The court directed the Kolkata police to hand over the case diary to the Central Probe Agency by this evening. BJP fired a series of attacks on the opposition over recent criminal cases in Kannauj, Ayodhya and Kolkata. BJP MP Sudhanshu Trivedi slammed his Samajwadi Party and said that as the strength of UP's Do Ladke increased, the confidence of criminals also increased. Further, he questioned West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over allegedly not transferring the case to the highest investigation agency in the country. Lok Sabha LOP and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi reacted over his demand to conduct JPC investigation into the Hindenburg report. He said that they have to discuss this in depth.